In this video, let us learn how to divide the number 152 by 8 using the long division method. Now see that 1 is less than 8, so we will consider the number 15. We know that 8 times 1 is equal to 8. Subtract, we get 7. Now this 7 is less than 8, so we will consider this 2 here. And now we know that 8 times 9 is equal to 72. Subtract, we get a 0. As we have got the number 0 and there is no number to bring down here, so we will stop. Therefore, 152 divided by 8 is equal to 19. And this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and comment on the video. Also do subscribe the channel.